आपको अपने उस कजिन की याद आती है, आप सोचते हैं चलो कॉल करके पूछता हूँ कि कहाँ है वो, कैसा है। आप कॉल तो करते हैं पर आपको उसका कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आता। जब आप घर आते हैं तो सोचते हैं चेक करता हूँ वाइफ क्या कर रही है, बट योर वाइफ गिव्स यू दैट कोल्ड इंडिफरेंट लुक। लास्ट डे जब आप ऑफिस से घर आ रहे होते हैं, योर बॉस लुक्ड वेरी हैप्पी, because he was very impressed the way you give presentation to your client. But next day when you reach office, the same boss looked very angry, agitated, and suddenly your mind starts spinning कि भाई हो क्या रहा है, is everything fine? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ किया है, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मुझे खुद में कुछ चेंजेस करने चाहिए। And then you start thinking about the same conversation, same situation. And थोड़ी देर के बाद your mood starts dropping and you start feeling down. Now let me tell you something. Most of the pain you feel inside is not caused by what happened. It's caused by how you took things personally. जब आप हर चीज को खुद के बारे में बनाने लगते हैं और खुद से रिलेट करने लगते हैं, तो किसी का रैंडम कमेंट भी लगता है कि वो आपके बारे में बातें कर रहा है। किसी का न्यूट्रल बिहेवियर भी ऐसा फील होता है जैसे वो ही इज बीइंग वेरी इग्नोरेंट, वेरी स्नॉब। एंड देन योर माइंड बिकम्स द कोर्ट रूम वेयर यू आर द एक्यूज्ड एंड द जज एंड यू स्टार्ट गिविंग पनिशमेंट टू योरसेल्फ। Multiple psychology sources and cognitive theories show that when you carry what's not yours, you experience higher anxiety, frequent emotional exhaustion, and lower self-esteem. Not because you have too much to handle, but because you are making it too much to handle for yourself. When you keep carrying the weight that does not belong to you, here are few things that happens. Number one, your nervous system stays overactivated, and that keeps your stress hormone high. Number two, you keep thinking about the same situation, same conversation, which leads to anxiety and low mood. Number three, external factors start controlling your self-worth, and your confidence become conditional, not stable. You get defensive quickly, feel hurt easily, and start overreacting to a small situation. And your emotion starts controlling your behavior instead of logic. You start avoiding the honest conversation, learning, and feedback, which slows down your personal and professional growth. और इसका लॉन्ग टर्म पैटर्न ये होता है कि आप ज्यादा इनसिक्योर, ज्यादा एंग्शियस, कम कॉन्फिडेंट और कम अडेप्टेबल हो जाते हैं। Now listen to me. There is nothing wrong with you. Okay? Taking things personally is not weakness. It's a learned pattern. जब आप ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट में रहते हैं जहां पे लव कंडीशनल होता है and you get criticized and judged frequently for small things, and where you don't feel emotionally safe, there your brain learns that I must monitor everything to stay safe. And neuroscience calls it threat-based perception, where your mind keeps scanning for threat even when there are none. अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि आप ऐसा करते क्यों हैं? Let me give you 4 reasons you do it. Number 1 is ego identification. दूसरे लोग आपके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, क्या ओपिनियन रखते हैं, आप उसके बेसिस पे अपना सेल्फ वर्थ और अपना वैल्यू डिसाइड करते हैं। नंबर 2 इज इमोशनल रीजनिंग। कहीं भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, कुछ इश्यू हुआ है, यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दैट आई माइट बी द रीजन। नंबर 3 इज माइंड रीडिंग बायस। यू फील दैट यू नो पीपल and their intention very well. Number 4 is old wounds. Any bad situation reminds you of something and it makes that situation familiar to you. And you are like, okay, this has happened. I know why people do it. And I know how to react in this situation because this thing has happened to me before. Psychologist Aaron Beck shows that our mind fills the gap with assumptions. So things which we are not sure about, We assume, and most of the assumptions are negative. Now wait, this is where you change. You don't need to fix yourself. You don't need thicker skin. What you need to do is reset your perception. Because here is the life-changing truth. What most people say or do is more about their own internal state than you. Their own stress, their fear, their fight, their upbringing, their unresolved emotion. So people are mostly reacting to their own life, their own fight. Research in emotional regulation show that people who reframe the situation experience lower stress and higher emotional resilience. Here, reframing the situations means changing the way you look and interpret the situation without changing the actual fact. And remember, not everything needs your emotional involvement. Not everything needs your reaction, your inner peace. Because लोगों का behavior change करना आपका काम नहीं है. आपका काम है खुद का mental space protect करना. And when you stop absorbing the emotions that are not yours, that's when you find that you actually have wings. You start feeling quieter, slower, faster, wiser, braver. And on this path, chances are that you will find yourself. Because then you stop taking energy that's not yours and stop leaking the energy that belongs to you.